Welcome to Prolific Geeks. We have a ink rotation system here with the what to call with the one click cleaning solution. You just click this button and the cleaning this powerful pump will be sucking ink from your wasting pipe, and it will drain out in a one click. Okay, so we have a whole lot of function how the this whole uh, white ink rotation system is working. We will be going through this. Okay, you need to plug the 24-volt adapter here. So this is your 24-volt adapter, and this will be get plugged it here. Okay, and we have a one more wire here. If you are buying a white ink rotation with our vacuum kit, then we'll be giving one wire like this, which will be having a direct male to male thing, which will go here, and that portion will be going in direct to vacuum. So in a one adapter it can be completed. Now like how this white ink rotation will be working in your L1800 printer. uh, so how it will work is like you have so I have put it my white ink here 100 ml. So instead of that it will be a waste ink bottle. Okay, and this will go like this. Okay, and this is your waste ink pipe, which will you need to inject it. You can unscroll and you can unwrap this pipe also. Here you have a button to close this whole unit. Okay, here you have a speed controller. Like you can increase the speed of the motor of this. So this motor, how it will get connected, you need to connect it like this switch. It will be directly going into this way, and you just press it. It will be connect like this. You need to install this pump in near to your whiting, near to your ink area. We'll be giving dampers, these two dampers with a manifold like this is a costly manifold. So here inlet and outlet, so two pipe will be coming through. You can remove your original absent pipe, and you can put it one inside here and other one will be here. So the two pipe will be one will be taking and another will be like coming back. Okay, so here in this we have a three this thing three view. So you just push this two pipes of your the Epson ink tank. Okay, and it will suck from the ink tank to this and then rotate back, and it will come in this pipe. Okay, and then this pipe will be directly going into your Epson car holder, and that will be get rotate and come back here, and this will drain out to another pipe. Okay, that pipe will be coming back, and it will be directly uh, directly draining into a your ink tank. Okay, so there are two ink tanks, so you can hold the two portion of your ink tank and push this pipe inside. Okay, so this is how the whole full ink rotation works. This is just a small demo. We know that key this is small world. Whatever we explain, people are here to catch and make the things by own. But whatever we are doing, this is our experiment, this is our effort. So thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.